Mold on carpets is a severe concern.
Acting like a sponge, carpets absorb dirt, bacteria, and mold spores, often due to high humidity, moisture intrusion, or standing water. This poses significant health risks, including persistent allergies, breathing difficulties, skin rashes, and eye or throat irritation.
Removing mold from carpets isn't a DIY task.
Mold spores often settle deep within the fabric, requiring rigorous cleaning.
Trust the experts at Mold Busters to handle this. We use high-power equipment like HEPA vacuums and ozone generators to thoroughly clean and sanitize your carpets, ensuring a mold-free environment. Don't let mold compromise your indoor air quality. Contact Mold Busters for professional help and book a free virtual inspection at bustmold.com or through our app.